as the quote goes, sir, we can allow our kids to piss in the public.
Yeah, but not kiss in the public.
हाँ, car
Correct.
खड़ा कर दो,
हाँ.
open the door, go beta, go piss somewhere in
Yeah.
the somewhere nearby and come back. That is okay for us.
Correct.
But if you want to express love, that is not okay for us. I mean,
Totally
that's what I
agree.
said. Romantic till what levels?
Hi, my name is Amit Agrawal.
So my name is Rohit Agarwal.
My name is Rajgopal.
Hey, my name is Lakshit Harkut.
मेरा नाम अशोक कुमार है.
Hi, my name is Prashant.
Oh yes, definitely. I don't think so. There is a particular age for that. Whenever your child is ready for it, might be at the age of 10, might be at the age of 13, might be at the age of 18. Whenever the child is ready for it, I think we should talk about it freely. There shouldn't be any inhibitions. My child should not learn about these things from others.
Correct.
Is my only concern. He should learn it from he or she should learn it from. That's it.
माँ बाप तो देंगे नहीं. फ्रेंड्स के साथ ही मिलना है हम लोग को.
It should be
सीधी सी
given.
बात है.
माँ बाप क्यों नहीं दे सकते?
नहीं दे सकते.
क्यों नहीं दे सकते?
ये सब बात होती भी नहीं है. बोल भी
पुराने
नहीं
जमाने में
सकते.
नहीं होती थी सर, आज होती है।
पुराने नहीं. अभी तो क्या है, सब बोलने वाली बात है, लेकिन
अब
अभी भी
ऐसा है कि आप नहीं बोलोगे, कहीं और से पता
हाँ
चलेगा।
वही
दूसरी
मैं बोल
जगह
रहा
से
हूँ ना.
पता
मैं
चलेगा।
वही
सर
बोलना
वो
चाहता
गलत
हूँ.
सीखेगा. अगर कहीं और से सीखेगा तो
Friends-
गलत
नहीं
सीख
नहीं,
सकता है.
उसमें फ्रेंड्स रहते हैं, उसके साथ ही होता है. बाकी तो
Yeah,
साथ भी रहते
As a
नहीं.
father, am I not more responsible than his friends to teach my kid about the sex education at the
No,
right age?
It is not a necessity.
Yeah,
not
yeah,
necessary.
let it be a syllabus in school.
हाँ वो जरूरी है.
तो वो जरूरी
I'm
है,
not
हाँ,
comfortable
लेकिन हम
teaching.
सीखे वो जरूरी
नहीं,
नहीं
नहीं,
है.
not
I
necessary.
totally
I
not.
think वो अपने कंफर्ट लेवल के हिसाब से बात कर रहे हैं।
Exactly.
वो बराबर ही है ना. मैं एक को नहीं सिखा रहा हूँ, मैं सबको सिखा रहा हूँ.
जैसे आप बोल रहे
जैसे
थे कि it is the right time, whenever is the right time, I will go and speak to my kids.
Yes.
I think more than the right time, it's about when are you comfortable speaking to them.
I have a third opinion. I feel that more than the sex education, like my child is 12, and one of the constant things that used to come to my mind is when she'll start having her periods, how should I tell her about the periods? Okay, and I realize that I might not have the right choices of words or explain in a most easy way because I'm not an expert at it. I am comfortable talking about it, but I don't think I'm capable, or I will not be able to choose the right words, or I might tell them too much or too little, or not in the right way. So I feel that this should be done by an expert who tells the child, and it is my responsibility that child reaches to that expert. And after that, once the child understands it, then the child can always ask me.
I believe today's world is changing where for example, we have a mutual friend called as Vivek. Okay. I have so many other friends who are young couples. बच्चे हैं 10-12 साल के, 8-10 साल के हैं. एंड आज के दिन एंटरटेनमेंट बहुत लोग देखते हैं, मूवीज में सब ओपन है.
Correct.
ठीक है, आप अपने बच्चे के साथ बैठे हो, वैसा सीन आता है. पुराने जमाने में पेरेंट्स चेंज कर देंगे.
Correct.
मान लो कि कोई कॉन्डम की ऐड आ रही है,
Yeah.
आप चेंज कर दोगे.
Correct.
आजकल के जमाने के पेरेंट्स नहीं चेंज करते.
Correct.
आपका बच्चा अनकंफर्टेबल फील होता है, सो इट इज वेरी नेसेसरी आप उसको कंफर्टेबल फील कराओ. कैसे करोगे? आप बात करके कराओगे ना.
Correct, you are right. But I think that, let's say for periods, right? If I would have told my daughter, I might have told in a very scary way that it looks like that, my God, bleeding will happen and this will happen.
Maybe you cannot talk in a perfectionist manner,
Correct.
but you can at least initiate the conversation, try making them feel comfortable.
At some capacity, as much as we know about certain things,
Yeah.
that we are confident enough that we can talk about this thing
Correct.
rightly, we can just tell them,
Yeah.
beta, this is what this is.
So,
And if you want to learn further about it, there is Mom, or there are certain books which I'll
Correct.
provide you. You can learn more
so
about
I'm
it.
saying that it is not a taboo for me. It
Yeah.
is very important, essential. It is not a question of my comfort. For me, it is a question of my capability. That is how it is. For somebody else, it might be a question of comfort. It might be a question of taboo.
But my concern was this simple thing. As we were talking about the comfortability with our kids,
Yeah.
बैठ के हम लोग we can have daru, but we cannot talk about sex education.
Yeah, that is
I
wrong.
don't know how do we relate to it.
Correct. No,
That's
totally. Yeah.
It's bad to have daru and speak about sex.
That's a good one, sir.
Correct. Yeah.
Not a taboo, but sensitive topics.
Yeah.
We need to have certain understanding about it and tell our kids better this is what it is. You need not be ashamed of it.
Correct.
Need not be ashamed of certain things like masturbation and all.
Yeah.
But there is certain age for everything, and when you do it right at that point of time, that will be good. Otherwise, anything done before age or after age, before maturity or after maturity,
In
it'll-
excess or within control.
in excess or without control, then that will do more harm than you than good.
Correct.
These things have to be told by us and
Yeah.
not. I think it should be told by us and not by the friends at least.
Yeah, I'd say is an expert, not friends.
Yes.
Because I don't trust experts, the friends'
Friends.
IQ level.
Yeah.
And I myself learned it through friends, through other places where the information was grossly incorrect.
Yes.
And thankfully, when I reached my engineering college, that is when I was told the correct thing. Because there were people who were experts and said that, okay, we will tell you and go through this site or read this material. And that's when all the thing got corrected. But in the school, it was absolutely,
absolutely.
grossly incorrect.
So today, all of the education system is still 20, 25 years old in India.
Yeah,
That needs to be changed.
Changes.
correct.
Sex
correct.
education, अब बचपन
No,
से
now it is
सिखाओगे
part
तो
of
होगा.
curriculum. It is there in the curriculum.
Not
now.
everywhere.
No, I'm saying that, yeah, it is being
Somewhere,
introduced.
wherever it is.
Yeah, wherever it is being introduced.
It's good, but we can't change the entire education system.
We
But we can
can't.
change the way we talk to our kids
talk.
about certain things.
Correct,
I think that
Yeah.
will do good.
Yeah.
Sir,
So I recollect episode of Mr. Bean. जिसमें when the word sex comes, तो Mr. Bean giggles. Okay, so that was I think 15 years back. Mr. Bean का एक episode है. So that was that time. ठीक है, तो ऐसा है नहीं उस टाइम sex नाम सुनते ही we were like कि ओ चीची क्या सुन लिया. So that is not now. Okay, so as but things are changing obviously. So ऐसा नहीं है, but as you all told कि there should be a age and if जो भी है ऐसा नहीं है पहले obviously I have observed कि जब मेरे भैया मतलब any scene used to come, so my brother used to switch off the television, but now we don't. मतलब मेरा अगर छोटा भाई बैठा है तो that ad continues or that film continues. So that age should be there, that when these sensitive things have to come up in your mind and the way it should come in that way only. So ऐसा नहीं है कि बात नहीं करनी चाहिए, बात करनी चाहिए.
When my kids were small, whenever a kissing scene used to come, my wife used to tell the kids, close your eyes. So then they used to close their eyes. After some time, when they became a little old, then my son said, Mama, they both are looking in their eyes. I think we have to close our eyes very soon. So then they are smart enough, right? They are very smart. They're very smart. What are you hiding, right? What are you hiding?
as the quote goes, sir, we can allow our kids to piss in the public.
Yeah, but not kiss in the public.
हाँ, कार
Correct.
खड़ा कर दो,
हाँ.
open the door, go beta, go piss somewhere in the
Yeah.
somewhere nearby and come back. That is okay for us.
Correct.
But if you want to express love, that is not okay for us. I mean,
Totally
that's what I
agree.
said. Romantic till what levels?
I don't think that's a problem at all.
I
That's
think I
absolutely
think it
fine.
should definitely happen because your child, when they see you as a couple who are loving each other, who are affectionate with each other, their bond grows better. I think it helps emotionally, psychologically, where they see that they are in a stable family, where the parents love each other. I think that's the most beautiful thing to have.
Then they learn how to treat their wives or their husbands as well.
Absolutely.
So
I think that is most
that's
beautiful
absolutely
thing to happen.
important for us. Not deliberately doing it, but
हाँ.
yeah, whenever we feel like expressing love, just go hug her, tell her I love you. That's all. Finish.
Yeah.
वो जब एज पे आएंगे तब प्यार कोई और ही भाषा में चलेगा, मतलब वी नेवर नो.
No, but at this age
so-
also, they should see
No.
that my parents, they love each other. It shouldn't happen that
एक लिमिट तक सर, मतलब there should be limits to everything.
Yeah,
Okay,
that is there.
Individual
all.
person can put the limit, right?
That
So I'm
limit
saying that
is
there
up to
can't,
them.
we need not have a global limit. It is very personal.
That's
individual.
very
All should be in the
personalized.
limits.
Yeah.
Personalized
Or
limits.
personalized.
Yeah.
That's all.
That limit is very
I
personal.
don't agree.
लिमिट के हिसाब से
disagree.
ठीक रहेगा ना.
No, I am not comfortable.
So
He might
according
be
to you, what could be the limitations or what would be the dead end in front of your kids?
कुछ भी नहीं करना.
talking. That's all.
Sir, you
बात सही
think
है.
expressing anger to your wife is okay in front of the kids?
No, that's
So
also
today खाना ठीक से नहीं बना यार, थोड़ा ठीक से बना दो. Is that fine?
not. That's fine. That's
हाँ,
fine.
but going and telling her that खाना आज बहुत ठीक से बना है, shaking her hand is okay or not okay?
It's okay.
That's it. Finish. We are on the same
And
page then.
hugging and kissing, all those things I cannot do.
That's
No,
what
sir.
limits.
Kissing doesn't mean not up to that extent we are talking. It's just that expressing her love. Just kiss her forehead or just kiss her cheeks. Just
You
give
can love
kiss
her
hand.
with your words also.
Yeah, correct.
Definitely,
Correct,
sir.
Correct.
That
Correct.
depends on how do you
Yeah.
make her
Correct.
feel.
Expression of love is
doesn't
not.
have an explanation
Yeah.
that you need to hug or kiss.
Yeah.
There are different ways of expressing
Yeah,
नहीं
love.
तो the point is that only कि
I
why
like
you
your
want
beard.
to.
beard.
Yeah,
That's
correct.
also love.
शायरी भी लिख सकते हो ना, सर लिखते ही होंगे.
Correct.
लिखो.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Each person has their own different limits.
Correct.
So, which is
That's all.
fine.
Yeah, that's